How to evaluate backlinking sources before submitting your link. Backlinks Explained Part 3. Hi guys, I'm Nat Ryan with Internet Marketing DIY. In my last video, I talked about the best source for do-follow backlinks for your website, directories, and how to find them online. Today, I'll be showing you how to use a top SEO tool, a tool that thousands of pros use to evaluate website directories every day, Majestic. Now, most SEO professionals choose to pay for a Majestic subscription because it then gives them all the bells and whistles. But know that you can use the basic features of the Majestic tool for free. Using Majestic for free will allow you to evaluate the directories you found for backlinking. So that's what I'll be showing you today, guys. First though, let's go over a few things about what you'll discover using Majestic. Promise it won't take long. Every website, including directories, have two metrics that indicate influence and authority: citation flow and trust flow. Citation flow is concerned with the volume of links back to a website and the value of each of those links. This indicates that there is some linking juice flowing between the two sites. What you want from citation flow of a directory is lots of valuable juice flowing to your website. Trust flow is all about how influential a website is. You want as much trust flowing from the directory to your website as possible because that indicates to Google that your site is also influential. So let's take a look at Majestic and how you can use it to evaluate the website directories you're finding. Okay, so type majestic.com into your web browser, and when you do that, you come up with this page here. This is a Majestic website. Like I said earlier, Majestic is a subscription-based service. If you pay, you get pretty much unlimited use of their tool, but you can use it for free. Just know that you can only do 3 free searches per day. So let's add one of the URLs we found from before and see what we get. So I'm going to go up to all free things and copy that URL, copy, bring it to Majestic, and put it in there. And put it in there as putting it in the search field here, and then press the orange search button. Okay, let me move myself out of the way here. As you can see, the trust flow here is 27 and the citation flow is 36. So that's really good. So what you want is to get listed on directories with a good volume of citation flow. That's this one over here on the right. Plus a healthy amount of trust flow. Think at least 30% of the citation flow. So this one definitely fits the bill. Let's look at another one. Okay, so I put in another URL here from Free PR Web Directory. As you can see, the citation flow on the right is 44 and the trust flow is 25. So that's definitely more than 30% on that one as well. So that's got some good metrics going on there. And let's check out a third one, a last one. Okay, so I just put in the URL for that begoniagardens.com. That was that website directory for landscaping businesses that we found in a previous video. As you can see here, the citation flow is 16. It's not incredibly large, but what's good about this one here is the trust flow is 27. So the trust flow is even more than the citation flow. Okay, so that's really good. Even though they're quite a small website directory, it's pretty good on that. Please note, by the way, if you ever see a metrics with a 0 trust flow here on the left-hand side, if there's a 0, don't bother listing with that website directory because it won't do you any good at all. Once you've evaluated the directories you found, it's time to start submitting to them, which leads to a question I hear all the time. How many backlinks to submit per day? If you were a real eager beaver, you could submit your website to dozens of directories each day. And there are some experts who will advise you to do just that. But there is a problem with big batch backlinking. Google and the other search engines aren't crazy about a backlinking strategy that looks too good to be true. Especially if all of a sudden your website goes from having little to no backlinks and all of a sudden you've got several dozen in a very short span of time. You can actually get penalized for backlinking in big batches like that because it looks suspiciously spammy to Google. What Google does like are backlinks that build over time. They just look a whole lot more natural that way, almost as though the linking sites really do think your website is awesome and worthy of being seen as an influencer in your niche. So my best advice is to add 1 to 2 backlinks per day, 5 days a week. In a month, you'll have 20 to 40 backlinks that way. And know that in order to get the results you're looking for your backlinking strategy, you may need to keep this up for several months. So keep searching out those good quality backlinks, guys. Meanwhile, in my next video, I'm going to show you the #1 top keyword research tool to help you find tons of keywords for your website. Stay tuned for that. Or better still, guys, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss it. While you're at it, if you like this video, hit the like button below. And if you'd like me to cover something specific, please leave me a comment. Bye for now, guys. Thanks for watching.